As a small shop, where do you buy metal? If I need just a fairly small chunk of metal for a project, or maybe even some weird plastics like this Altem, the best place to go is Online Metals. And no, I have no affiliation with them. They're relatively cheap, they're relatively fast, and they're easy. The next option is McMaster Car. If you need something weird and you need it yesterday, McMaster is the way to go. It's going to by far be the most expensive way to buy materials, but it's also by far going to be the fastest. If you need more materials than just a couple inches, then a local metal supplier like Metal Supermarkets or Alro is probably the way to go. If you're buying 10 or 12 feet of something, a local metal supplier can easily be 10 times cheaper. And then lastly, if you need titanium like this 1-inch diameter, 4-foot long rod, the best place to get it by far is American Metal Exchange. American Metal Exchange basically just does exotic materials and titanium, and their titanium prices are generally 4 times cheaper than anywhere else you can buy.